this thing should help as well. It's an off-the-shelf adjustable stand, not made for roofing, but I kind of made it work because I need somewhere to stand on. I tried it, it's pretty steady, so that's going to help me get up here. There's a big crack that I need to address. So the first thing we're going to do this morning is going to be to cut off this clay flute flush. A couple of people at the fireplace store where I'm going to buy the liner, they tell me that just cut it flush, resurface this, fix the crack. Also, there's no grooves cut under here, and I find that it's been leaking off the face, so I think the surface tension, the water runs down here. So what I want to do is cut some slots in here, so it's going to break the surface tension and then the water will run down. Eventually I'm going to make a cap. I'm either looking at making a stainless steel cap or ideally a beautiful copper cap, but that's for a future project. Right now we have to address the crown. I'm going to draw a level line around here so I have somewhere to gauge the grinder. Good test for my audio equipment. This is the Lark 1. It's the same like the grout, this, but it's the grout. We're not doing grout today.
No, non è uguale.
No, grout is grout. This is for repair. You could do it with the grout, but It's better not to. Okay. Yeah, okay. Let me mix with the drill. Yeah. 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 Let's see what we got here. Ooh. So it's a week later. Concrete has dried. The only thing I'm noticing is there's cracks. So there's little cracks. I've looked this up online and people say not to be concerned about it. It's normal for new concrete to crack. But you still don't like seeing cracks. Unfortunately, the liner that we ordered on Monday won't be here for another couple of days. So this weekend we'll do something else. 7 degrees Celsius today. I guess that wraps it up for the crown resurfacing of the chimney. Next step is a chimney liner.